guys, thank you very much for tuning into this video. Now, it's been a long time since I uploaded a YouTube video. It's been about, I think, 4 years. So I'm trying to get back into the YouTube thing. So this video is going to be on how I achieved these amazing faux locks hairstyle, okay? So if you want to know what I did to achieve this look, just keep on watching, okay? Hey you guys, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm using for this Faux Locs tutorial. Now, what you need is the hair. So this is the New Locks by Bobbi Boss. I'm not sure if you can see it. This is the New Locks by Bobbi Boss. Now, I bought about 3 packs of this here. Keep in mind that there are about 20 locks in each pack, so that's 60 locks together. So what you want to do before you even go to the hair store, make sure that you count the amount of braids that are in your hair. So I have about 60, around that amount, so I have around the exact amount. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I did go ahead and use a crochet needle as well for this tutorial. And yes, I know my hair looks a little bit old, and that's because I waited about a week before I tried to add the locks into my hair. So what I ended up having to do was just redo the front of my hair, and then I was able to install the locks. So I just showed you the hair that I got and what I'm going to be using to do this Faux Locs tutorial. Now, this is my braid slash twist because I started off my hair with a braid and then I ended up twisting the rest of it. So I did this because I've been doing faux locks for a while now, and every time I have to take them down, it takes way too long just doing a regular braid. So I decided this time around that I'm just going to do braid at the top and then twist all the way down. Okay, this helps with easy takedown, so I do recommend you doing that. Why not? So I'm just going to do a quick little tutorial on exactly how I'm going to do the braid. I'm going to just start off with three strands and just start braiding. And you want to braid it as tight to the root as possible. Now, I wouldn't recommend twisting at the top because I feel like it's not going to stay as tight and it may get really loose. So I'm just braiding down, and it's up to you when you want to start twisting. I'm about to start twisting. So you have 3 strands, okay? So the strand that is the thinnest, I'm just going to put that strand with one of the other strands, if that makes sense. So I'm just putting this thin one right here, and I'm adding it to this strand. And now we can twist. Now when you're twisting, you have to like twist it and then go over. So twist, then go over. Twist, then go over. Twist, then go over. Twist, go over. And you just keep doing that until you get to the bottom. And I feel like when you twist it this way, it makes the twist stay better or stay longer and not unravel. Okay. And when you get to the end, what I like to do, I just like to do this. Just twirl the end with my finger. Just twirl it. Okay, so now you have the twist. Okay, so that's all I do to do this hairstyle, okay? So the next step in this video, I'm just going to show you guys how to actually install the faux locks, Okay, so just stay tuned for that part of the video. As you can see, I'm using the crochet needle. I'm opening up the latch. What I'm going to do is place the crochet needle from the bottom towards the top. Then I'm going to open up the latch. I'm going to take one of the threads. I'm going to open up the side that has the hole. Just like that. I'm going to place that into the latch. Then I'm going to close it, as you can see there, and drag it all the way down. Take it out, open it back up, open up the hole, and put my hair in that hole. Then I'm gonna drag the lock just like that. So now I'm just going to open up the lock, and I'm going to do this on the side that feels like it should be opened up, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to open it up, as you can see there, and I'm going to wrap it around my own hair. And as you're wrapping around the root of your hair, you want it to be a little bit tight so that it doesn't unravel at the top. And as you're wrapping around, you're going to open up the thread a little bit and then wrap over your hair. So I'm opening it up just like you can see, and I'm wrapping over my hair. And you just keep doing this. Open up a little bit more, then wrap around your own hair, just like that. And you're going to keep doing this until you get to the end of your hair. Once you get to the end of your hair, you put your hair inside of the thread, just like that. Hold on to the top of the thread at the top. Then you're going to drag it down by pulling the end of the thread, just like that. As you can see, that is the lock. That's how you do the faux lock. Now, I'm going to show you it again. So you want to start from the bottom, drag the crochet needle from the bottom to the top. You're going to take your lock, open up the side with the hole, just like that. Then you're going to put that inside of the latch. And then you're going to close the latch and drag the crochet needle through your hair. Open up the lock. Then you're going to place your hair inside of the lock. Once you do that, you're going to drag the lock just like that. And you're going to unravel the lock. And I'm doing this one counterclockwise. So you're going to unravel the lock. And you're going to place the lock and wrap it around your hair. And you want to make sure you do it a couple times at the root. So just unwrap and then wrap over your hair, unwrap and wrap over your hair. You want to make sure that you're going the correct direction or it's not going to work. You may have to do this a couple of times just to make sure you get a feel of it. So I'm just going to keep wrapping until I get to the end of my hair. As you can see, I'm about to get to the end of my hair pretty soon. You're going to take your hair and place that in the lock. Then you're going to hold your hair at the top. Just hold it and drag the lock all the way down. And that's it. That's how you do a faux lock. So that was how I do my faux locks. Okay, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys so much. Bye.